To make a call using the Bluetooth hands-free phone system, first press the phone send button on the steering wheel. The phone screen will appear on the center display. You may then touch Vehicle Phone Book to select the name from an entry stored in the Vehicle Phone Book, Handset Phone Book to select the name from an entry stored in the Handset Phone Book, Call History to choose a number from the incoming or outgoing call history, or Dial Number to enter the phone number to dial. You can also use voice recognition to make a phone call. To do this, press the Talk button on the steering wheel and say Phone. When prompted, say Handset Phone Book. Speak a name from your handset phone book after the tone. When speaking phone book names, please be aware some phones require the last name to be spoken before the first name. For example, Michael Smith may be spoken as Smith Michael. To dial by phone number, press the Talk button on the steering wheel and say Phone. Wait for the tone and then say Dial Number. When prompted by the system, say the digits of the phone number you wish to dial, starting with the area code. You can speak all 10 digits of the phone number without pausing. If the system has trouble recognizing the correct phone number, speak the 3 digits for the area code and pause briefly, then 3 digits for the prefix, pause briefly, and then the last 4 digits.